Jobber is built for mobile-first field service teams, while mHelpDesk is built around more traditional service scheduling and office-heavy workflows. By the end of this, you'll know exactly which one fits your business, what each tool does better, and where people usually make the wrong choice between the two. Jobber focuses on speed in the field. mHelpDesk focuses more on structured job tracking and office control. That difference affects everything from daily scheduling to how fast your team closes jobs. Start with Jobber. Jobber is designed for contractors who live on their phones. Jobs, quotes, invoices, and customer messages are all managed in a single mobile workflow. That matters because techs don't need to call the office just to update a job or send an invoice. Everything is built to move fast on site. Jobber also leans heavily into customer communication. You can send quotes, approvals, and invoices directly through automated workflows. That reduces back and forth and keeps jobs moving without manual follow-up. Now look at mHelpDesk. mHelpDesk is more structured around office scheduling and dispatching. It's built for teams that want tighter control over job assignments and service history from a central dashboard. That means managers spend more time inside the system, organizing work before it reaches the field. It also leans into detailed job tracking. Work orders, service history, and customer records are organized in a way that prioritizes documentation over speed. Now the key difference. Jobber is optimized for speed and field execution. mHelpDesk is optimized for structure and office oversight. That's the trade-off you need to understand. If your team is constantly in the field and needs fast updates, Jobber is the smoother experience. If your workflow depends on detailed scheduling, job tracking, and office-managed dispatching, mHelpDesk feels more controlled. Now, the practical breakdown. Jobber works better when you want technicians to handle most of the job process from their phone without waiting on the office. mHelpDesk works better when you want office staff to tightly manage scheduling and job flow before work hits the field. Here's the summary. Jobber prioritizes speed and mobile execution. mHelpDesk prioritizes structure and centralized control. Those two priorities don't overlap as much as people think. Next step. .ly. Look at how your team actually runs jobs day to day. If the field drives the process, lean Jobber. If the office drives the process, lean mHelpDesk. If this helped you compare tools without the sales noise, like and subscribe for more straight comparisons.